Why isn't every agent staging if it's so great, Jonathan? I got this question in a DM. So why aren't all brokerages asking every agent to stage a home as their general policy? It's kind of a big question, but it really made me think. It was time and investment. That's the answer to that, but it's more on both sides. Independent sellers and brokers often will skip it because they're trying to save a seller money from the beginning. And they also often realize that when they ask the seller to pay for something else, they may not get the listing. However, a high quality agent can explain to that seller why they need to be staging that house. There's never a question in my mind with some of our top agents on that we're going to be staging their listing, because they're not going to let that house go to market without it being properly staged. They are meeting their fiduciary responsibility to that client, which is extremely important. They bring us in, they know the client is already doing all of this work on the house, and they want them to actually get an ROI from all that work. It's giving them a huge value proposition when they're partnering with someone that specializes in home staging. The fact is that home staging is not optional if you want to present a listing that really stands out in today's extremely competitive market.